Imagine a classic Volvo P1800, but with a futuristic hybrid twist. In 2026, Volvo is bringing back one of the most iconic sports cars ever made. Now packed with cutting-edge tech. Will this be the ultimate blend of vintage style and modern performance? Let's dive in. The legend returns. 2026 Volvo 1800p Hybrid. The original Volvo P1800 was a 1960s masterpiece. Sleek, stylish, and sporty. Now, Volvo is reviving this icon with the 1800p 2026 Hybrid, blending timeless design with next-gen hybrid power. Design, classic beauty meets modern flair. Retro-inspired body keeps the P1800's 1800's iconic curves, long hood, and sleek rear. Modern upgrades, LED headlights, nod to the classic round lamps, a bold Volvo grille, and alloy wheels with a vintage spoke twist. Best of both worlds, a perfect mix of nostalgia and 21st century sophistication. Performance, hybrid power, thrilling drive. Plug-in hybrid system, turbocharged gas engine plus electric motor equals 300 plus horsepower. Lightning acceleration, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds. Eco-friendly, commuting, 50 to 80 kilometers electric-only range, perfect for daily drives. All-wheel drive, for max grip and control. Interior. Luxury and tech fusion. Premium materials. Leather, wood trim, and brushed aluminum for a high-end feel. Smart comfort. Heated, massaging seats, plus ergonomic design. Tech hub. Touchscreen infotainment. Premium sound and advanced safety features. Price and exclusivity. Limited edition, built for collectors and enthusiasts. Starting at €100,000, custom options will increase the price. What do you think? Should Volvo bring back more classics as hybrids? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a car reveal. See you in the next video.